What's up, guys? It's your boy Ray Boss back again. On Disney Plus. So I guess if you haven't watched it, I mean, it's been out for quite a while now, so you probably should go watch it. If you're a big Marvel fan, you know, you like the movies, the Avengers, any of the Marvel movies, it's definitely worth watching. I liked it a lot. So, with that being said, we opening it up. Okay. We'll go with the pin first, which is gonna be, ooh, it's the shield of Captain Carter. Yeah. See, I don't know if I should spoil it. Well, I mean, I guess it shows it in the trailer. So, Captain America doesn't become Captain America. Agent Carter does, the British lady. And that's why the shield is not American, it is British. Just so you know. The more you know. She got a shirt. Let's see. Oh yeah. Ooh, I like it brown. See, I like the different color shirts. Look at that. That's pretty cool. So it's supposed to be like a, you know, with the girl that's like, you know, to join the army. You know. You know. Okay. Sticker of Star-Lord, Black Panther. Okay. So first one is Post-Apocalyptic Black Widow. I'm not gonna lie, I don't really see what's so different about this Black Widow compared to the other Black Widows. But there she is. And then, see, this one's cool. It's the collector. Who actually has a pretty big role in one of the episodes. And if you play the phone game, he's like the main character or villain or whatever. But yeah, that's pretty much, that's it. I mean, I like these boxes, fast and simple. Definitely going with this is my favorite. And the shirt, which you'll probably see me in a future video. But yeah, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. It's your boy Ray Boss, and I'm out. Please like, subscribe. Peace.